What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you where your spare tire, your jack, and your lug nut wrench is located in a Ford Explorer. This is a 2020 model here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the spare tire is going to be located in the rear, and you want to put your third row seat down. As you can see, I've already done that. And we'll pick up this back hatch here, just flip it up like that. Then we'll want to grab this loop right here, pull this up. This piece will kind of come off, it's just Velcroed on there. And then once we get that off, now we can actually see our spare tire here. And to get that out, there's this retaining nut. I've already loosened this one up, but you'll just spin that counterclockwise. And then the nut may spin off there, but it'll also spin the whole bolt out like that. So we'll set that to the side. Last thing I want to show you is, so once you have that off, you can pull your spare tire out, and the jack and lug nut wrench will be located underneath. And on the jack, this item right here is actually our lug nut wrench. So in order to get that off, you want to just loosen this a little bit. So turn it to the left or counterclockwise. And once you loosen that up, that'll allow that to come off. And then this just folds out like this for the lug nut wrench. So that should be everything you need to get your tire changed. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.